Castor oil is a vegetable oil derived from the castor bean seed in its purest form. It is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Cultivators of castor beans remove the hull of the seed before pressing it to obtain the oil. The history of castor oil goes back a long way, with ancient Egyptians allegedly using it for their lamps around 4000 BC. Greek travelers like Herodotus recorded that the Egyptians also used it as an ointment. Cleopatra reportedly used it for brightening the whites of her eyes. Over the years, castor oil has earned a phenomenal reputation for being a laxative, cathartic, and purgative medicine. Angelina Jolie and Britney Spears are just two famous fans of this restorative oil. There are so many natural remedies and healing methods that have long been used due to their proven efficiency. With each new day, a new powerful and highly effective folk remedy is revealed, making people more willing to turn to nature for relief from various health issues. One such folk healing method makes use of castor oil and baking soda to treat more than 24 health issues. It is a truly incredible and highly beneficial remedy with a wide range of application. Baking soda has the ability to neutralize toxins and irritants on the skin's surface, thus helping to relieve minor skin irritation and itching. It is also very useful in neutralizing stomach acid, helping to relieve indigestion, heartburn, as well as ulcer pain. On the other hand, castor oil is often recommended by holistic medicine for the treatment of various illnesses that are resistant to conventional therapies. According to Dr. William McGarry, castor oil has been proven to be successful in treating the following symptoms. Rub warts with castor oil regularly, for at least 4 weeks to completely get rid of them. To cure cataracts, drop 1 drop of castor oil every night before bedtime. Wrap your strained ankle with the castor oil coating and allow it to act overnight. This will provide pain relief and much faster healing. Treat pilonidal cysts by regularly applying castor oil. Get rid of moles by regularly applying castor oil on them for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Castor oil application can also help you soothe bee stings and the swelling resulting from them. Consume 5 drops of castor oil every morning to relieve allergies. Eye allergies can be soothed by application of some castor oil on your eyelids prior to going to bed. Castor oil can accelerate the healing process of cuts. Massage your soles with some castor oil every day to eliminate calcium deposits. Hepatitis is yet another condition which can be effectively treated by castor oil. Eliminate fungal infections on your feet by regular application of castor oil coating. Consume 6 to 8 drops of castor oil orally over a period of 4 months to successfully treat rhinitis. Treat hyperactivity by placing castor oil coatings on the abdominal area. Impede the appearance of stretch marks during pregnancy by regularly massaging your skin with castor oil. Put several drops of castor oil in each ear to improve hearing. Use castor oil coatings on your abdominal area to soothe chronic diarrhea. Combine castor oil with baking soda to aid in the treatment of skin cancer. Stimulate hair growth by massaging your scalp with castor oil for about 20 minutes before washing your hair. Do this regularly. The consumption of several drops of castor oil on a daily basis can aid in the treatment of nicotine addiction, and the application of castor oil coatings on your stomach can help treat snoring in just 2 weeks' time. Lower back pain can be relieved by using castor oil coatings at least once a week. Prepare a mixture of castor oil and baking soda to treat dark spots on your face. Vocal cord nodules and chronic hoarseness can be treated with regular application of castor oil coatings on the neck area. Castor oil coating preparation. Since castor oil helps increase circulation, it is often used as coatings. To prepare this natural remedy, you will need cold-pressed castor oil, plastic foil, a bottle with hot water, clean gauze, a towel. Prior to using the coating and after its use, you should thoroughly cleanse your skin with a baking soda solution. Preparation. Heat some cold-pressed castor oil and soak a gauze in it. The gauze should not drip. Place the gauze onto the affected area, cover it with plastic foil, place a hot water bottle over it and wrap with a clean towel. Allow the coating to act for at least 1 hour and simply lie down and relax. Castor oil coatings can be used for about 40 days. Make sure to add sufficient amount of castor oil prior each new use. Always heat the coating before use. If the smell or color of the castor oil has changed, prepare a new coating.